All right, y'all. Welcome back to another video. So here are the orders. I had another major sale. So let's get started. Okay. All right. So I ended up with 12 orders. I had to cancel 2 due to medium risk orders. And one order, something was wrong with the address, and we just got an order like a couple of minutes before I started this video. It's after 11 o'clock, so I told them to get their order in before 11 o'clock. So that one's going to be processed on Monday, maybe Tuesday, Wednesday. I don't know, but I need to get started because we got to ship these to the post office before the post office closed. All right, y'all. Some of these do have free gifts inside of them. For the people that ordered more than 3 onesies, they have free gifts inside of theirs. And for the people that didn't, I'll send them a discount code for a free onesie. So yeah. Fresh Prince Twister Reloaded. I didn't do the first one. I was so much in a rush. Cheetah, Sunflower, Reese's. Money Talk, Fresh Prince, got a busy day today. Uno Reloaded, Twisted, Twister Reloaded, and the other one is a free gift from my old inventory. Yeah, so I had another little sale, a really big sale on the custom onesies. Just trying to get rid of some of those before our new collection comes out in the fall. Yep. Uno Reloaded extra large. Right, that's that one. So we got Martin. We got another Uno Reloaded. I'll pick a thumbnail soon. We got 1, 2 more, and then we off to ship because the post office closed in 30 more minutes. So we got to get out there. Yeah. That's that one. All right. Money Talk. Bullshit Walk. Money Talk Bullshit Walk. that one. So our last one, Uno Splash, not Uno, Oreo Splash. Cupcakes. Twister Reloaded. And the other one is a free gift. Thank y'all for shopping, but these cheap sales like this will not return for the fall, okay? So get used to it now, because we're gonna have new everything, new customers, new look, new inventory. Yeah, these cheap sales will not be back. All right, we about to go ship. They about to close. So y'all, we're on the way to drop off the packages. Post office closed in like 17 more minutes. So we on the way. Ooh, is these lashes holding up good? Okay. Block this sun from my arm, because you know we're not trying to keep tanning our arm. Okay. Almost there. I should have processed the orders ahead of time. That would have definitely saved me some time as well. Definitely saved me some time. Like, y'all, it is always so crowded on Saturday. Like, oh Lord, it's always so crowded. Anyway, pulling up at the post office now. I see people like to wait till the last minute to do things. That doesn't apply to me, because I'm actually, you know, fucking busy. I bet that line is probably long, because we is not going to the line today. Don't make no sense. Y'all, ground shots, but yeah, that line was super long. Like, why would you wait till the last minute till the place closed to come to the post office? Y'all better do that shit through the weekday. All right, y'all. So I got those 9 packages dropped off. And the other order is gonna have to be processed on Monday, maybe Tuesday. I don't know. But yeah, I'm taking off Monday. But yeah, so like, why would you wait till the last minute before the post office closed to do that? By the time they get done with that long ass line, it's gonna be after 12 o'clock. They're gonna have to lock the door. But yeah, it is hot out here. Like, when I I do Uber Eats, I might wash my eye makeup off. I'm gonna keep the lashes on, but I'm gonna wash the eye makeup off, cause I don't want to feel like I'm about to melt out here. But yeah, it's supposed to rain today. Hopefully it do, cause it rained yesterday and it wasn't supposed to. It wasn't in the forecast. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna see how these lashes hold up in the wind, windy, and everything. The titties are tittying today because of this little crop top. I had this crop top for a very, very long time. It still fit a little bit, a little tight, but it is what it is. Come on, hurry up and turn. Drive slow. But anyway, yeah, what I was gonna say. Oh yeah, so I done had this little crop top for a long time. So only a stalker would recognize this shirt. So I have taken pictures in it in the past. So only a stalker would recognize it. Oh, Walmart look. Alright, y'all, so I am almost home, and I'm gonna basically get ready to do Uber Eats. I'm actually running behind on the time that I wanted to start. I wanted to start at 11:30, but I'm at the post office at 11:30. So it's looking like 12:30. Yeah. So yeah, I guess this is the end of the video. Okay, so make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, packing orders and ship with me videos. I hate street parking. Like, I really hate street parking. Like, you in the fucking way, dummy. Use your fucking garage. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.